limo tents.
Go ahead. Watch out. Hey, wait. Oh.
Nah, if you're on the move, I gotta. I always say, gotta keep that with you too.
Stay hydrated. I'm about to go get me a bottle. What you about to do to this car?
When we do these dashboard pieces, we make them a little bit smaller because some of these vents be fitting a little shorter. I meant to say a little bit tighter than other ones. So he finally got the vent, so now I gotta make them fit to this. I gotta trim the dodges.
Banner. I don't know how long it's gonna take you, but yeah.
I gotta watch that. Tighter than the other ones. That's why you gotta make them fit the same way. On the edges.
Yeah, I gave you.
What about that dust? Vacuum and get that off.
I put them. As a matter of fact, what you talking about? It's me. Oh,
Boom, 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 boom.
I got 70.
You can cut them bitches and make it the right one.
Nah, I got it already. I just ain't. I had these put on until my 71 was came from getting
You
polished.
hit the back too?
Yeah. And you see how tight them storages be? Shit.
After one
You
hit,
having a drunk night.
Man, listen, when you do putting it bit in and out, in and out, in and out, it's hard to back these shits in, especially at night. And then I'm gonna tell you the problem here. This mirror bolted on in the wrong spot. So when they painted their car, they put the mirror on. You can't see out this bitch. I can barely see out that bitch. I gotta lean all the way over the seat just to see the wall. You know, it only gives you so much room or margin of error. And that bitch got me. But like I said, I'm gonna paint this bitch over anyway. I go wait.
God did.
What?
I'll just sing that song for copyright.
Definitely don't want that. Get all money in.
What? They say Jughead Auto-Tune's the best in the business, man.
I appreciate them people saying that. You always try to strive for more. See, I'm outside in the hot ass sun doing this. Hot sun, bro. See my face?
Real ugly, man.
Huh?
Real ugly right now. And it's heat.
Get it done though.
Ugly ass heat.
I need a haircut. I don't know when it's gonna happen.
I tell you subscribers, send you a couple dollars for a haircut, man.
I ain't.
So tell you subscribers, send you a couple dollars for a haircut.
Send me a couple dollars. I'm gonna start a GoFundMe
Yeah.
in the corner.
For the Vert,
Start a GoFundMe for the book.
we'll make it happen.
Working 100 of them a year. I need one for myself. They don't know the vacuum got a tune in it.
Heavy motor, man. Jughead Auto Tunes.
Get it done no matter what. Start a GoFundMe. I'll fund a young man's dream. I'll be 26 next month. Start a GoFundMe for my first Vert.
First Chevy, man. Going good?
Yes, sir.
Job completed. Yo! Already and shit.
Yeah, we gotta do the ends. He said he gotta I just put these bits in that bad boy here. I had to make them fit. Had to fix the hood cable too. Like that low car, like it came loose. Like the old latch, had to grease it up. It looked like it was making it too hard to pull. No simple stuff. It happens. Got old school. You know? Something I do almost every day. You see how tired I am? I ain't ate lunch yet.
Where you going to that Chinese spot?
I got some Jamaican food in there. Trying to eat right now. I'm hungry.
It look
I'm
good
running out of
though.
water. I need Gatorade. I'm getting a little tan today too. I appreciate y'all watching the video, man. I gotta go.